Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Figma and confirming access to Google Fonts. Sign in, open the file you'll work in, and check that Figma can reach the web. This enables built-in Google Fonts. If you prefer local files, download the Google font family, install on your system, and enable local fonts in Figma's font preferences. Once done, you'll have both web-hosted Google fonts and any installed local families available in the font picker. This saves time when styling text. Now you apply and manage the fonts. Select a text layer, open the font picker, and type the Google font family name to find it quickly. Choose weight and style. To scale across a design, create text styles, name them, set family, size, line height, and letter spacing so updates propagate. For variable Google fonts, adjust axes like weight or width for fine control. Once set, make sure components reference those styles so changes remain consistent throughout your project. Finish by exporting and troubleshooting. When handing off to developers or clients, export text as outlines if they lack the font or provide font names and links. Export SVG or PNG when needed. If a font doesn't appear, verify Figma's network access, reinstall the local font, and check exact family spelling. Once resolved, document the font family, weight, and text style names for handoff. A quick tip: clear Figma's cache or restart the app when changes don't appear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.